Hello everybody. As I am doing my best Vincent van Gogh impression at the moment, it's only appropriate that I introduce the new image applications in Riku. You'll notice here that we have a new setting for image applications to appear on the home page, and we have a new option in the sidebar to see your image apps. Here is one that I created earlier for flat vector images, and if I say barista working in a coffee shop, I can hit generate image and I will get an output from this. This is using the OpenAI Dall-E free technology. When you run this API, what it does is it will take your prompt, it will change it into something new, and then it will feed it into the OpenAI API to give you the output. So you can see at the bottom here, we are getting the full prompts from what is being fed into the API to get these images out. If I want to see the images bigger, I can click and I can choose whether to download it or copy it to a clipboard. I can change the size, I can do what I want to do to make the images how I want to make them. So how do we go into creating one of these from scratch? Well, we come in, we hit My Image Apps, we come to the top right here and we hit Create a New Image App. We then have different settings to create one of these. So I can say, produce an image in the style of an oil painting focusing on, and I can choose whether I want this to be the prefix or the suffix of the image prompt. So the prefix will make it at the start, the suffix will make it at the end. I want it to be at the start. I can then choose a quality between HD quality and standard quality. HD is more expensive. They both provide good outputs. And then the image style, I can choose between natural or vivid. Vivid is the style that ChatGPT uses when it produces images. Natural is something else, which you can only get via the API, so it's worth trying out yourself. And then the image size, I can choose whether to give the user the ability to change the image by toggling this setting here, or I can choose a specific setting. So I'm going to choose for this one to keep this specific setting. And then I could say oil painting style, and I can say this will produce images like an oil painting. And I can hit create image app. Once I've done this, you'll see this pop up that says that your image app is live. I can choose to try it out myself, which is what I'm going to do. And you'll notice on this image app, there is no toggle for the size because we preset that. So I could say coffee, coffee on a table, swan on a lake. I'm just going to do a few different things. Car on a mountain, and a bicycle driver, rider, out in the snow. And you can see the images that are produced are in this oil painting style. So we have this coffee, we have this swan on a lake, and you see again it's added to the prompts each time based on what it believes it should do. And we have all of these beautiful images, which are quite nice. So this is how you can produce image apps within Riku. And of course, if I want to style this more so, then I can come back into here and I can hit my publish settings. I can then go and I can choose the image that has come out. I can choose to make this public so I can share it anywhere that I want to share it. I can set a password so only people with the password can access it. I can choose whether to hide my name on the settings or not, or I can choose to embed it on a page, which is going to give me all the information that I need to embed it on my own website. Once I'm happy with the settings that I like, I can hit save, and then I can choose to open the image or go back to the editor. You'll notice that the image has now changed on here. So this is an exciting development to use Dall-E 3 in your own work, and in Riku it's super simple to create these apps super fast, and we've got a lot of fun things to come. So I hope you've enjoyed this quick demonstration of how you can use Dall-E 3 within Riku to create these awesome image applications. And if I want to then favorite this, I can do so, and then my home page looks awesome. I can see all my favorite image apps, all my favorite vision apps, all of my favorite chat apps, and all of my favorite prompt apps. It's a great place to build and explore and learn all about artificial intelligence. I hope this video has been useful for you. Thank you.